Hi, here with a new Google Ads question. So let's see what the question is. Hi Ali, I would like to get your insights here. For the longest time, I have understood that campaigns within the same Google Ads account don't technically compete or cannibalize against each other. But I have recently seen multiple LLMs suggest that while don't directly compete, if we run the same exact keywords across campaigns with overlapping geos, this could indirectly cause CPC spikes, in some cases even being described as up to 50%. I love to hear from those of you who have actually experienced this in practice. Can we achieve better bidding efficiency by removing overlapping keywords or geo targets, or would consolidating into a single campaign per geo reduce performance by limiting coverage? Can having the same keyword in two campaigns targeting the same geo realistically cause CPC to increase by as much as up to 50%, or is the impact usually smaller and more related to data fragmentation and smart bidding inefficiency? When running the same keywords across multiple campaigns with overlapping geo-targeting, is it more effective to consolidate into one well-structured compared to centralized smart bidding, or to keep campaigns with separate with negative priorities to control performance by region? Our concern is that if we consolidate, we might lose potential visibility where another campaign could have performed better in a given auction. But at the same time, we also don't want to indirectly spike CPC by keeping overlaps. One thought is to keep the keywords but exclude the overlapping geos. Okay. For instance, first of all, please try to understand, if you are targeting the same keyword in different geos means geographical locations, they are not overlapping. They only overlap when you are targeting in the same geo in the same country and you are having two keywords in a different campaign. Now they are overlapping with each other. If you think that either way you can win the Google auction through this, no, you will not win. You will instead waste your money, spend your money, because Google only allows one of the ad to be shown. Okay, please try to understand the theory over here, that the Google is trying to say you that one account, one ad will be shown for any keyword. Now if you are trying to add the same keyword in two campaigns and you are trying to compete both of the campaign with each other, no, this not happen. But if this is happening, this is causing your CPC to be high, because the campaigns are competing with each other, and this way they are raising your cost just by competing. So this is not a good practical approach to compete both of the keywords with each other. Now over here what you can do is, because you are trying to see, I think that you can run one campaign at a time and run, if you want to do A/B testing, you can run one for a week, one for another week, and see what one is working well for you. This is a very good and quick formula through which you can try to understand what's working well for you. Now if I answer question by question, can we achieve better bidding efficiency by removing overlapping keywords or geo targets? Yes, you can remove by overlapping, or would consolidate into a single campaign per geo. I think that you can go with a single campaign per geo. This way you can figure out what kind of keywords are working in a specific geo in a location. So this way you have an idea, because it's not necessary that one keyword may be performing well in another geo, but this is quite true that this may not work well, the same keyword in another geo. So which is why I think that your option of going into a single campaign per geo is actually a better approach. Point number 2, can having the same keyword in two campaigns targeting the same geo realistically cause CPC to increase as much as by 50%? Yes, or even more. So yes, this can happen. So this is what I'm saying, do not overlap it. The third is, when running the same keywords across multiple campaigns with overlapping geo targeting. Okay, please try to understand, if you are geo targeting different locations and having the same keyword in a different multiple campaigns, it's not overlapping. Overlapping happens when you target in the same location. Is it more effective to consolidate into one well-structured campaign to centralize smart bidding, earnings and budget, or to keep campaigns separate with negative priorities to control performance by region? As I told you that controlling performance by region seems a better idea. This way you can figure out what's working well for you in the specific region. If you put all of them together, that will be more mess, and this way you will not be able to figure out which keywords are working in the specific geos, because marketing is all about data. Taking the data as much as possible can definitely help you out. So I hope I answered this query. And in case if you're looking for a professional Google Ads audit setup or management services, or a full-fledged digital marketing services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description or in the first comment. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.